How to disable Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. Now, if you have Adobe software installed on your PC right now and wanting to disable it, first thing you want to do is you need to find Adobe file location. Now, once you're able to do that, there will be a folder that says Adobe G Client on your Adobe folder. Now, there are two options that you can do. You can either rename the folder or delete it. Now, once everything is done, you'll just have to restart your PC, and then that should disable your Adobe Genuine Software Integrity Service. Now, one thing I can recommend you to do is to only rename the folder so that you can still use your Adobe softwares like Photoshop, your Adobe Creative Cloud, so you will not lose it. You'll only lose the pop-up for disabling the genuine software. So that is how you disable genuine software on Adobe.